And now ChatGPT-4 is here, skyrocketing business and sales to new levels like never before. That means with BizSuiteAI you get from using ChatGPT-4 technology for writing blog posts, articles, ads, and business ideas, to generating voiceovers, performing SEO, boosting website conversions, and even creating smart links, QR codes, and saving your business files in the cloud. BizSuiteAI comes power-packed and ready to rock. All 6 powerful apps are empowered with cutting-edge technology, such as ChatGPT-4, and are here to assist you with every aspect of your business. Start your own 6-figure business today in few clicks. With BizSuiteAI's commercial license, start a profitable business offering a hot service that sells itself, a fantastic side earner to your main business. Sell content and other digital marketing services for top dollar and generate huge paychecks month after month. Option 1. For your existing customers, instantly create ChatGPT-powered business content, voiceovers, and provide other services for their projects and get paid handsomely. Option 2. If you are a newbie, now you have a smoking hot, advanced AI content creation / voiceover generation / SEO / digital marketing services you can sell to thousands of biz owners, professionals, content creators all around the world. Sell top quality proven to convert marketing material, ads, copies, sales scripts, product descriptions, articles, etc. Generate and sell voiceover for engaging sales videos, video sales letters, animated videos, explainer videos, Instagram and FB marketing videos, TV commercials, etc. Boost conversions, drive traffic for clients and earn commissions. Sell SEO and web optimization services. Provide digital marketing services. Create and sell QR codes, bio pages, smart links, and link shortening. Create and sell successful social media campaigns, FB, Twitter, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Provide lead generation services. Provide consultancy. Easily get buyers from any niche. Event organizers. The greater the digitalization and growth of e-commerce, the greater the competition. But with this massive growth opportunity comes extraordinary challenges. To survive, every business needs to focus on increasing traffic, conversions, and sales. This AI suite will allow you to do that with SEO, and high-quality, compelling and engaging content. Meanwhile, it will help lower your costs, and give you other powerful tools for advertising and marketing. Having a cloud-based storage to save, share and access all your business files is vital. SEO and web optimization will drive more traffic, more clicks, and more conversions. The demand for voiceovers is continuously rising in the digital business world. Create smart links, short links / URLs, and monitor clicks and marketing campaigns. QR codes and bio pages increase brand awareness by connecting customers to your company's website, landing pages, and social media accounts. Having compelling content injects massive credibility and sells digital and physical products consistently. Lowering costs means more savings and more profits. More conversions means more sales. On top of that, online business owners juggle multiple daily tasks in performing these activities to improve conversions, leads, and sales. And being a one-person army, they get burned out. Besides, when it comes to hiring freelancers for content creation, voiceovers, SEO, boosting conversions, and other services, it's hard to control expenses and keep the costs reasonable. If you are a business who is still struggling, just imagine if you could replace all these expensive apps / freelancers with one easy to use, 10x highly advanced, ChatGPT-4 powered AI app that does all the content creation, voiceovers, SEO, conversions, cloud storage, smart links, QR codes, all within one app, at an accuracy and speed more than of a human for a much lower price. Say no to expensive monthly subscriptions and crazy high one-time fee. From idea to sales page, ads, QR codes, and everything in between. Crazy, right? Your online business is up and running in 48 hours from just one single dashboard, without burning a hole in your pocket. So buckle up, stay woke, and get ready to ride the wave of AI-powered online businesses with ChatGPT-4 powered BizSuiteAI. I am Eric Holmlund with the team at Fire Launchers. We're releasing a stunning ChatGPT-4 powered AI platform called BizSuiteAI. We understand how businesses are struggling to keep up with the competition. Being marketers ourselves and having faced that, we wanted to create a product that would help us save money, time, and do all these vital jobs for us: content creations, SEO, marketing campaigns, web optimization, and more. So, we empowered it with ChatGPT-4 to make it 10x more advanced than any of the ChatGPT-3 software products in the industry. Sounds incredible, right? Stop paying expensive fees for sub-PAR services separately when you can have it all in one place for a one-time low payment. Experience the power of this ultra-fast, GPT-4 powered suite of 6 apps to enhance your results 10x and ignite your profits. Our apps are laser-focused on what we need to be successful internet marketers and provide us with. Generate human-sounding voiceovers for your videos or podcasts, limited to 50 campaigns per month. These services are selling like crazy on freelancing sites. This is your opportunity to make crazy profits. Easily start your own 6-figure business with our suite of 6 GPT-4 powered apps that make us $97 to $197 a day. Moreover, you can tap into buyers from any niche. The list is endless. Sell these services separately or together. It's your choice. Consider stacking them up to make a 5-figure passive income.